Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're having a good day, guys. Guys, again, I'm talking about smooth low portion coin. Absolutely, you know about smooth low portion that the price changes is going negative from a long time. You know what? A lot of people also message me, especially SLP holders, that what should we do in a right now situation, guys? Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell or hold, guys? So everybody are so confused, but don't worry, guys. Don't worry, everything will be okay. At this time, guys, if we talk about the current price of smooth low portions to 0.075312 USD dollar, that is the current price of smooth low portion. Other side, if we talk about the changes update of smooth low portion, so now the last 1 hour update is positive 0.88%. The last 1 day, last 1 week changes is completely negative. That's too bad. But you know what? I believe that after funds there is a huge pump. So you know what? One time again, SLP coin will give you a surprise. So just wait for this surprise, guys. And guys, possibilities. You know what is as you know about crypto, that at the last half month and at the beginning of month, at these points there is a higher possibility that price will blow up. The price will blow up. So again, possibilities, guys. I just recommend for all of you to hold and wait, guys. Hope you get a profit, guys, if you hold. So just hold, guys. Anyways, what do you think? What's your opinion? What's your prediction about SLP? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.